Charleston month, week 4, we did some 20s Charleston today. Really fun stuff. So let's talk about our basic. We had everybody start on their left foot going backwards. Touch, step, touch, touch. 5, 6. Remember to pulse. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a touch, step, touch, step. If you can add those hitches in there if you like. It's your homework. Just practice that. And to practice that, you just think in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep the pulse. Go to one side, go to the other side, and then you're going to put that in. Cool. Then we practice it with our partner. Ballroom hand hold. We're going to have our hand up here like this. Not too high, not down here, right in between us. This side is just like normal, relax. And we do our basic footwork. Now the leaders, you're going to go back on your left foot first, and then followers will go forward on the right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we started moving it around, so we can just go forward with it. And the leaders, you just move forward. You keep that energy going forward. And then you go backwards with it. And you can just change directions. So when we want to change direction, when we want to go forward, we feel the compression coming this direction. And when we want to go backward, we feel the stretch away. Okay? And then we did a turn. Okay? Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Prep, turn, catch. And see that again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 7. Cool? One more thing, we just showed you how to get in and out of it from your 30s Charleston, so we'll do some 30s. Much like the yo-yo, we're going to open that door and close the door. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. This is our normal, and then we're going to stretch and to the side.